Imagine starting a project only to realize halfway through that there are not enough people, time, or budget to complete the work properly. In this video, we'll explore how resource planning helps organizations avoid these challenges and maintain efficient project execution. Resource planning in project management is the process of identifying, allocating, and managing the resources needed to complete a project successfully. These resources can include people, budgets, equipment, materials, software, and time. Why is resource planning important? Effective resource planning provides several importance that help projects operate more smoothly and efficiently. Those are: improve productivity, reduce resource conflicts, control project costs, avoid delays, improve team efficiency, support better decision-making. Most importantly, it helps projects maintain stability and deliver successful outcomes. Types of resources in project management. Projects require different types of resources to operate effectively. Let's look at some of the most common project resources. 1. Human resources. Human resources include the people working on the project, such as project managers, developers, analysts, designers, and other team members. Proper workforce planning ensures that employees have the right skills, responsibilities, and workload distribution throughout the project lifecycle. 2. Financial resources. Financial resources refer to the budget required to complete project activities. This includes salaries, equipment costs, software expenses, training, and operational spending. Proper financial planning helps organizations avoid overspending and maintain better cost control. 3. Material and equipment resources. Many projects require physical materials, technology, or specialized equipment to support operations. Resource planning ensures these tools are available when needed so that work can continue without interruptions or delays. 4. Time resources. Time is one of the most valuable resources in project management. Proper scheduling helps teams complete tasks efficiently while maintaining deadlines and project milestones. Poor time management can quickly affect the entire project schedule. Steps in resource planning. Resource planning usually follows a structured process to ensure project requirements are managed effectively. Step 1. Identify project requirements. The first step is identifying what resources the project requires. This includes analyzing tasks, timelines, deliverables, and skill requirements. Understanding projects need early helps organizations prepare resources more effectively. Step 2. Allocate resources. Once resources are identified, they are assigned to specific tasks and responsibilities. Proper allocation ensures that workloads remain balanced and resources are used efficiently throughout the project lifecycle. Step 3. Monitor resource usage. Resource planning does not end after allocation. Project managers must continuously monitor resource usage to identify shortages, overloads, or performance issues. Regular monitoring helps teams make adjustments before problems become serious. Step 4. Optimize resources. Projects often change over time, which means resources may also need to be adjusted. Resource optimization helps organizations improve efficiency by reallocating resources, managing priorities, and reducing waste whenever necessary. Resource planning is a critical part of successful project management because it helps organizations manage people, budgets, tools, and time more effectively. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more project management and professional development content.